Hello guys, here's Shuli and you are welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make yummy catfish curry. Catfish curry, that means Mangur fish curry. Mangur fish in Hindi and it's called catfish in English. Whatever, let it be. I'm going to show you the easy process to make yummiest catfish curry. Let's see the recipe. At first I'm taking 1 kg of catfish. They're frozen. They were frozen. I removed them from the freezer in the afternoon and now in the evening I'm making the curry. If you're taking fresh, that's very good. Whatever, now we need to fry the fish. And here in this fry pan, I fried brinjals just a few minutes ago. So in the same oil, I'm going to fry the fish. For this video only, I'm not going to waste the oil. So I'm adding some more cooking oil and the oil is heated well, as you can see. Now we need to add the fishes one by one. If you want, you may add some salt and turmeric powder and mix the fishes very well, and after that you may fry them. But I'm going to fry them directly because we're going to add them in the gravy of salt and spices. So they will be all okay, and the rest we'll fry in the next batch. I'm frying them on medium heat, and after the lower side is fried well, I'm flipping them one by one. We need to fry them very well until a nice red color. So I'm flipping them all, and after both of the sides are nicely red, I'm going to remove them from the pan. So I'm taking them in a plate, and in the same process I'm going to fry the rest of the fishes as well. I'll fry the second batch behind the camera and I'll show you the next process. So let's go for the pan. So I have put a pan on heat and I'm adding some cooking oil. You may use any kind of cooking oil and you may change the quantity of oil. After the oil is heated well, I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. And along with this, I'm adding some whole spices, 2 bay leaves and some whole garam masala. So in garam masala, I'm taking star anise, cloves, black pepper, cinnamon, green cardamom and black pepper. Green cardamom I have taken 2 and everything I have taken about 4 to 5 pieces of whole spices and added them. After the color is brown, I'm adding some onion, finely chopped onion. I've taken 4 medium sized onions and finely chopped them. And now we need to fry the onion until the color starts to be brown. And now it's okay. Now I'm adding some crushed ginger garlic, 1 teaspoon of freshly crushed ginger garlic, but you may take the paste from fridge, there is no problem. And now we need to wait for some time until the raw flavor of ginger garlic is gone. After that we need to add some tomato. I'm taking a puree of 2 medium sized tomatoes, but you may chop them finely as you like. After adding tomatoes, we need to add some salt and spices. I'm mixing a little and now I'm adding some salt according to taste. For 1 kg fish, I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, and it's kanda lasun masala. It's a Maharashtrian masala spices mixture. It has chili powder, garam masala, onion, garlic, coriander, cumin, everything. I'm adding this spices mixture in a large quantity, so I'm adding a little quantity of red chili powder only. If you don't have kanda lasun masala, then add red chili powder according to taste as required, and add some garam masala. Add at least 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I'm also going to add some garam masala at the end of this recipe, only half teaspoon. On medium heat, I covered and cooked the spices mixture, and now the water is dried up as you can see, and oil is released from the spices mixture. In between, we need to uncover the pan and stir it nicely to avoid burn from the bottom. After mixing well, I am adding water for gravy. Keep the water quantity according to your wish, as thick or thin you want your gravy to be. I think some more water is needed. I'm going to serve the curry with steamed rice. So I'm going to make it little thin. And now I'm covering the pan until it starts to boil. Now it is boiling very nicely, as you can see. After it starts to boil, we need to add the fried fishes in the curry. So let's add them one by one. Magur fish, that means catfish, is a little hard in texture. So we need to boil for a longer time in the gravy to make them nicely soft and yummy. And I fried them without any salt, so we need to cook for a longer time for about 15 minutes, so that all the salt and spices, taste of the salt and spices are infused in the fishes. So after boiling for about 15 minutes, the fishes are very nicely soft now, and our curry is almost ready. So at the end of this recipe, we need to add some fresh coriander leaves finely chopped. And as I said, that we need to add some garam masala at the end of this recipe. If you want to add the garam masala at the beginning, it's also okay. But if you add a little quantity of garam masala at the end of the recipe, you will get a very fresh flavor and taste. So I always try to add some at the end of the recipe. So I'm adding about half teaspoon of garam masala now. I added kanda lasun masala in a large quantity, so I don't need so much. And now it's kasuri methi. Kasuri methi means sun-dried fenugreek leaves, and I roasted them before adding. Now I'm crushing them and adding them in the curry, about 1 teaspoonful. Now we need to mix the curry very well, and after that we need to boil it for about 1.5 minutes on medium heat or high heat as you like. And after that our curry is ready. So now we need to turn the heat off, and after turning heat off we need to wait for about 10 minutes with a lid. So after 10 minutes of waiting, this is our curry. It's looking so much tempting, so much delicious. All the oil is above the curry and the gravy is thicker than before, as you can see. I'm going to serve the curry with steamed rice, but you may enjoy it with roti or chapati as you wish. It's so much delicious with all of them. So guys, try the simple and yummy fish curry recipe at home and don't forget to share your experience with me. Hit the like button guys if you really liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And instead of catfish, you may use any other kind of fishes as you like and make this yummy fish curry. So try this yummy recipe and enjoy. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.